Today I am going to show you the most relaxed animal on the planet, the capybara. You have probably seen them all over the internet looking completely unbothered by the world around them. Hello everybody, my name is JRS and you are watching Road to JRS. Let's get straight into the video.
The capybara is a semi-aquatic creature native to South America. While they might look like a small bear or a strange pig, they are actually the world's largest living rodent. They are closely related to guinea pigs and rock cavies, but much larger, standing about 2 feet tall at the shoulder. Because of their love of water, they are often called water pigs. Their feet are slightly webbed, making them excellent swimmers who can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes to hide from predators. Why they are so chill? This real reason of the capybara has gone viral globally is its incredibly social and chill nature. In the wild, they live in groups of 10 to 20, but they are famous of being nature's automan. Almost every other animal seems to enjoy their company, whether it's birds cleaning their fur or monkey hitching a ride on their back. Capybaras simply don't seem to mind. They are highly intelligent, social animal and communicate through a series of whistles, chirps and barks. Unique features and habits. Capybaras have some unique physical traits. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are located on the top of their heads. This allows them to keep most of their bodies submerged in the water while still keeping a lookout for danger. They also have the teeth that never stop growing. To keep them at a manageable length, they have to constantly gaze on aquatic plants and grasses. In a way, they are like the nature's lawn movers for the South American wetlands. Whether they are swimming in a pond or taking a nap with a group of friends, the capybaras remind us all to take a breath and stay calm. Seeing these gentle giants, it's a reminder of how peaceful nature can be. If you enjoy this journey into the world of capybaras, make sure to like, subscribe, and support Road to JRS for more wildlife and nature adventures. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next journey.